reason the Hunter Fanaway does not work for some reason.
Hold on. Let me see.
Goes on mine.
Let's see some.
It's like 52 fans bigger, and then 42 goes more than 52. And then we got their
Oh.
Ah.
Yeah, it's because I had to switch on. Here you go.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Watch this. I remember seeing these at Lowe's.
So, which one? Oh, to my Fanaway?
Uh huh.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, turn off. Went to Bay Camera 2 Plus. How much does that like it cost right there?
So, which one?
The one with the more of an octagonous shape.
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Yeah. He said he wanted to know how much they're like.
All those 2 and 1/4 one of them, you know that.
Right there. You got different prices for that one.
I think that's 19 to 29, I'm not sure.
$29.
That's bent bevel glass.
What?
Bent bevel glass.
Glass?
You know,
I mean,
where they got to heat that to bend it. It's everything is bent and it's beveled. No, it's, you ought to see the one that was a wild one I got in my house.
Oh.
You know, pointy ones.
Mm-hmm.
It's bent bevel and smoke.
Oh, okay.
Woo.